2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, compass, heated steering wheel, trip computer, driver and front passenger heated seats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.